Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you two different methods to turn on Instagram dark mode on an Android phone. So the first method will be on any newer Android phone where you turn on dark mode in the Android settings. But if for some reason that's not working for you, or you have an older phone, there's a second way that you can turn on Instagram dark mode using an app. So the first way to turn on Instagram dark mode is going to be to first open up the Android settings, and this will only work on newer versions of Android, so I believe Android 8 and above. And the first thing you want to do in the settings is go to display. Then under the display settings, simply find dark theme and turn that on. So now when I go back to Instagram, you can see that it is now showing a dark theme and the background is black. So what happens if this didn't work for you, or when you go to the display settings in Android, you don't have dark theme to turn on? So I'm going to switch over to my older Android device here. What you need to do is download an app from the Android App Store called Dark Mode, and check the description because I will have a direct link to this, so you can just click that and then install it from there. Once you get it installed, go ahead and open it up. Once you get in here, all you need to do is select night mode to turn it on, or you can put it on auto and that'll turn on night mode once the sun sets. Now, if for some reason your phone is like mine, where when I select night mode, it doesn't change over and it doesn't change the look of Instagram, what you need to do is turn on car mode up here. So if you turn on car mode and then you hit night mode, as you can see, the background just turned black. And when I go to Instagram, you can see that it is now showing night mode and the background in Instagram is black. So those were two methods to turn on Instagram dark mode on your Android device. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.